Hey guys, this is Anu and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm here in LA on vacation, and as we're heading up to Griffith Park, guess what I see? A beautiful estate at the foot of Griffith Park, and they're doing a broker open, so obviously I had to go and check it out. Come with me. When you first walk into the home, you're greeted by a ginormous living room, and would you look at that window overlooking the front yard? Towards the back of the home, we found this den/family room, again with a walkout to the backyard. So much natural light, there was pretty much a skylight in almost every room and every hallway. Now, this was a sprawling bungalow, so we found all the bedrooms on one floor. And here we are, welcome to the master suite, complete with a walkout again to the backyard. Here we have the attached ensuite master bath. And have you noticed how bright this hallway is? It's because there were maybe three skylights. And welcome to bedroom number 2, a room for one of the kids with an attached bathroom. Back into the hall we go, and we are welcomed into bedroom number 3, also with an attached bath. Look at that subway tile. Oh, hey there. And let's head on outside. I believe that every house in LA with the sun shining down all year round should have a pool as nice as this one. So I hope you liked that quick video with the walkthrough of the open house. Please give this a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video.